Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. I'm diving into TopTal, a platform that connects businesses with freelance software developers, designers, finance experts, product managers, and project managers. They boast a rigorous screening process, accepting only the top 3% of applicants. This exclusivity aims to guarantee high-quality talent for their clients. TopTal's screening involves 5 steps: a comprehensive language and personality evaluation, in-depth skills reviews, live screenings featuring real-world tasks, test projects that mimic actual client work, and a continuous excellence commitment that ensures ongoing performance. The platform offers various engagement models, ranging from short-term projects to full-time hires. This flexibility allows businesses to scale their teams as needed and find the right talent for specific project requirements. TopTal emphasizes speed and efficiency, claiming they can match clients with qualified candidates within 48 hours. They handle all the vetting and administrative overhead, allowing companies to focus on their core business objectives. Whether you're a startup needing a seasoned developer or an established enterprise looking for specialized expertise, TopTal presents itself as a solution to find top-tier freelance talent. One of the key benefits highlighted by TopTal is its risk-free trial period. This allows clients to work with a freelancer for a set time without any financial commitment if they're not entirely satisfied. This mitigates the risk associated with hiring unknown freelancers. TopTal also boasts a global network of talent, providing access to professionals from diverse backgrounds and skill sets. They promote a collaborative approach, ensuring clear communication and seamless integration between clients and freelancers. For freelancers, TopTal offers the opportunity to work on challenging projects with leading companies, potentially boosting their careers and earning potential. They provide support and resources to help freelancers manage their work and maximize their success on the platform. This appears to create a mutually beneficial ecosystem where both businesses and freelancers can thrive.